Want to be known for the most beautiful, vibrant, long-lasting flowers in town? Following good care and handling practices is key. But using a flower food solution to keep your flowers hydrated and nourished is a can't-miss step. For best results, whether you are preparing flower food solution for a foam design or vase arrangement, follow dosing directions carefully. You find these on the label. When mixing flower food solution, foaming is possible, but don't panic. It is a good indication that it's working. If you do have foaming, it's only temporary and will dissipate quickly. If you're arranging a vase of flowers with your properly mixed flower food solution, you're ready to create. For foam designs, you'll need to soak your foam 100% before you get started. You want to place the foam floating on top of the water. Allow it to soak gradually and completely before you use it. You should never force submersion by pushing the foam down to soak faster. You run the risk of creating dry pockets in your foam and your flowers won't hold up. It's worth the wait and your flowers will thank you. What makes FloraLife Express Ultra 200 Flower Food such a fantastic product? It is your best insurance policy, because cut or no cut, it hydrates and feeds instantly. FloraLife Express technology not only saves time and labor, but also reduces equipment maintenance and waste. By promoting immediate solution uptake, FloraLife Express technology helps to reduce pesky bent neck and wilting. Less handling equals less risk of mechanical damage, stress on stems, and potential exposure to pathogens. Ultra means optimally concentrated. You'll have the same great efficacy as the non-concentrated version, but by removing water from our formulations, when possible, we reduce our overall footprint and support our sustainability initiatives. Best of all, this product works with all fresh cut flowers and foliage, even those stored dry for up to 2 weeks. Take no chances! FloraLife Express Ultra 200 Flower Food offers smart floral care with the confidence of consistency.